1, 2, 1, 2.
If I am fancy free and I love to wander, well, it's just that gypsy in my soul. There's something calling me from where yonder, well, it's just that gypsy in my soul. I've got to give in to my emotions. I'm only content I've been my way. There is no other life of which I'm fonder. Well, it's just that gypsy in my soul. Okay, I have a confession to make. For many years there has been this voice from deep within that creeps out when I'm performing. You know, they say that behind every good man is a woman. Mine just happens to be a boozy broad from the 1950s. And she's not behind me, she's in me. It's not dirty. She is the yin to my yang, the chocolate to my strawberry, the gypsy in my soul. Beyonce has Sasha Fierce. Britney Spears has Britney Spears. And I've got Bevy Raj. You're looking busy in the body.